So what's up guys? If you check over here, you will see that I have been able to make over $250 from Rapidworkers. Okay, what I need you to do is just to pay attention to this video, stick to the end of the video so that at the end you're going to be able to make this type of money over here, or even make more than I have made from Rapidworkers. Alright, and if you are from America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, Africa, no matter where you come from in the world, you can still get started from Rapidworkers and start making money right away. Okay, and the most interesting thing is it's absolutely free. It doesn't require any money, any investment to get it started. Alright, all you need is just an access to the internet, a smartphone or a laptop to get it started, and then you are good to go. Okay, and before we create our account, we need to know what is Rapidworkers and how it works. Rapidworkers is a crowdsourced service that helps individuals and small business to create a low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase either sales, have a better ranking, or even backlink, and so much more. There are a lot of things that you can do on Rapidworkers. Okay, this small business actually pay you some money to either help them to rank better or to increase their sales. That is basically how everything works, and it's pretty straightforward. Now that we know how Rapidworkers works, let us now go ahead and create an account. Alright, to do that, just hit on this button right here that says sign up now. Then you're going to be on this page. Okay, the first thing I want to tell you is that Rapidworkers are very strict about the laws. Alright, if they say you should do something and you refuse to do it, they're going to get your account blocked. Alright, so these are some of the important factors that you should put into consideration before getting started on Rapidworkers. Okay, using VPN or other masked IP is going to get your account blocked. Alright, creating of multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared public Wi-Fi is going to get your account blocked. Alright, using same IP with other accounts to do tasks is going to get your account blocked. Alright, doing other countries' jobs that you are not from is still going to get your account blocked. All these things they say here, they are not actually joking. Okay, I've seen a lot of people that got their account blocked on Rapidworkers, even including me myself. I got my account blocked on this website. So it's straight ahead, do what it said you should do, and don't abuse the system. Alright, now what you need to do is to put your name right here, your first name and your last name. Okay, put in your email right here and create a password. Okay, and here you're going to choose your country where you live in. Okay, Albania, Algeria, Abdul, wherever you live in, just put in your country here. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to hit I'm not a robot, then go down and agree to the terms of services. Once you done that, hit on create my account. They're going to send you an email to verify your account. Okay, if you don't see the image on the primary folder, you can check your spam folder. Alright, just click on the link, then you're going to see a message like congratulations, your account has been created. Alright, and once you click on the link, you're going to appear on the home page just like this. Okay, now on the home page here, if you click on this button, you're going to see all the whole tasks that you finish, all the whole tasks that you've carried out. Then on my campaign is for the employers, people who are employing you to work for them. Okay, since you are a freelancer like me, you don't actually need this, you don't need this, just forget about this. Then here you're going to have your account where you can change some little information about your account. Alright, and here also you're going to have the deposit. It's not for you, it's also for the employers who are employing you to work for them. Okay, and here is the withdraw button. Okay, this website Rapidworkers actually pays out only through PayPal. Okay, and you must have a balance of $8 before you can place a withdrawal. Alright, they don't accept any other payment except from PayPal. Okay, you should take that into consideration. Alright, and here you're going to find some tutorial about Rapidworkers. Okay, and when you go down a little bit, these bars right here are the search bar. Okay, this way you're going to be searching for your job of preference, the job that you like to do. Okay, here you're going to put in the job name, the job that you're searching for, and here is basically for the country, but you shouldn't bother about this, just leave it at target workers. Okay, you can search for job by payment or you can search for job by time. Okay, now let's assume you want to search for a particular job. Okay, let's assume you want to search for something like Facebook. Okay, just hit on enter, then you're going to find all jobs that are related to Facebook. You can see the first job right here is Facebook like and share, and is international. The second job also is Facebook like and share. The third job is create Facebook account. Alright, and on the payment, you're going to see how much they are going to pay you for the job. Okay, and here you're going to see the total time that is going to take you to finish the job. Okay, and when you come to this place, here is very vital. Okay, always check the job to see how many of the job has been carried out, because because some of the job they are about to finish, when you go ahead and carry out the task, they are not going to pay you because the job is already carried out before you click on it. So always make sure how many of the job have been carried out before you go for it. Okay, like this very one that has been carried out in 22 times out of 25, I would advise you to stick away from this. Okay, like this one over here that is 19 to 20 is very good. It means out of the 200 tasks to be carried out, 19 of it have been done. That means there's still 100 plus job to be done. 100 people like you. Okay, maybe you want to search for another particular job, just hit on this button right here and set clear. Everything is going to return to normal again. All right, search for another job again like YouTube. Okay, hit on enter, and all jobs that are going to be present here is going to be based on YouTube like, YouTube comment, YouTube share, viewing great YouTube video, all about YouTube. All right, now let's assume you want to start making money with just liking Facebook posts. All right, just come to the bar right here, write something like Facebook, hit on enter. Then you can see here there's something like Facebook like and share, and it's going to pay you 8 cents. Okay, now what you're going to do is to click on the job to see what the job is even about. All right, now you're going to see everything that you need to know about the job. Okay, and all other jobs are like this. Whenever you see the job, click on it, then you're going to be on this page where it will basically explain everything that you need to do. Okay, now you're going to read everything for you to understand what the employer is expected from you. Okay, the first thing you will need to check the country. Okay, and even before you click on it, always check the country where the job is from. You can see the very first one is international, meaning any person can carry out the task, and the second one is international, anybody can do it. The third one right here is only for people who are from India. Okay, if you are from Pakistan, you can do this kind of job. If you're from America, you cannot do this kind of job. If you are from Nigeria, you cannot do this type of job. You can't do this. There are certain people only from India. So always put that back in your mind whenever you want to carry out any job. Always check if it's your location. You can see this very one right here are only for people from the United States. This one is for United States. This one is international. Always check it to see. Okay. Now when you return to the page, you're gonna read everything. Like I said earlier, what the workers is expected from you. Okay. It's from international, meaning any other person can do it. He said he's very important. He will not accept if you don't follow all of these things that he mentioned. Like he said, go to the Facebook search bar and type his name. Okay, watch the video and at least like it, share the video and post it to some group, then comment on the video you watch. Okay, it's basic task. If you can do that with your friend freely, you can do this while you are being paid. All right, and he said they require proof that the task was finished. For the person to know that you finished the task, he said he wants your Facebook username and your comments that you write on the post. Okay, you will need to send a screenshot of the like and comment and every other thing that you've done. Okay, and if the employer wants you to send a screenshot, what you need to do is to go to this website that is called Lightshots. Okay, it's called prescreen.com, but you can also search for Lightshots. It's gonna pop up. Okay, once you have the screenshot on your phone, just come to this website Lightshot and download this app. Alright, this app is very easy. If you post the picture on the app that you've downloaded, from the app or from the website, you're going to send your link to the employer and you're going to paste the link here. Then you just click on the app, confirm that I have followed the instructions. That is how it works. It's very simple. If you're willing to put in the time, you're going to make more money from this website. Okay, now if you want to make more money from this website, the way I was able to make $250, alright, actually, you are not going to be going for this job that is going to pay you 5 cents, 3 cents. No, that's not how you're going to do it. What you need to do is to come over here and click on this button that says payment. Alright, then you're going to set it to the minimum amount you want to be paid each time you carry out a task. Alright, like me, I normally put it at $1. That means any jobs that I carry out, I will be paid starting from $1. Okay, you can see all of these jobs are international, meaning anybody can do it irrespective of your country and location. And most of these jobs are going to pay you starting from $1. Okay, so you're going to be doing this from $1 to $2, from $2 to $3. Those are the jobs that are going to pay well. Okay, and at the end of the day, you're going to be at the point where you can make up to about $250 from this website. I know this money is not going to pay all your bills. I know that. It's not get quick rich type of thing, okay? But at least if you are putting the time every day, like some hours, at the end of the month, you're going to be at the point to cash out a lot of money, okay? That was how I was able to make this $250 from this website. I didn't get this money in a day. I actually put in the work to have this, okay? And obviously, I'm not going to continue from this website because I have many online business that I'm running, okay? So you should try to put in the work and see what is going to be your results. Alright, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, I teach people how to stay at home and make money online. Okay, if that sounds good to you and you feel like you want to be the part of the family, you can consider subscribing to this channel so that whenever I upload any video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And you know what that means? If you are that first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. Alright, and if you find this video to be little informative and helpful, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to many people like you who are looking for a different way to make money online. Okay, and if you watch this video to this point and you feel like you don't want to use this website, this video right here or this playlist right here are going to show you different ways that you can use to make more money online. Alright, so see you next time when we post another video again on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.